Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and unsure when it comes to investing in the stock market? It's understandable. With so much information to process and an endless list of companies to choose from, making informed investment decisions can seem like a daunting task. But our model portfolio is here to help. At our core, our tools empower you to make informed investment decisions. We believe that learning the critical aspects of investing is the key to your success, and our goal is to guide you on your investment journey. And while we encourage you to do it yourself, we understand that it can be challenging. That's why our team of experienced equity analysts have done the research and due diligence for you, providing you with a list of stocks with specific buy, sell, or hold alerts. With our model portfolio, you'll have access to expert insights and analysis to help you navigate the stock market with confidence. So, say goodbye to feeling overwhelmed and hello to a brighter financial future. To access this tool, click on the Research Tools and select Model Portfolio option. Or you directly click on the Model Portfolio button here. To give you a quick glance, first thing you will notice here is two tabs, Model Portfolio and Commentaries. By clicking on the Model Portfolio, you can see the stocks handpicked by our experts. Please note that as a risk management measure, we decide to stay on the sideline when market condition is not constructive. So, there are times when we won't have any stocks in the list. Actionable buys are the stocks that our experts have handpicked and currently in buying zone. You can also see the recently added or removed stocks in the recent additions and recent removals section. Not enough. See the stocks that our analysts are watching in buy watch list and sell watch list sections. As we make any changes in the portfolio, we alert you the analyst notes real time. Those can be found in commentaries. You can see the rationale for adding or removing a stock under Additions and Removals tab. We also update you on the portfolio performance every day after market close. You can see them under Daily Reports. Any other portfolio related updates such as profit booking alerts, etc. are found here.